These days, when people talk about hedges, they think all there is to choose from is a Pittosporum, a lily pilly or a ficus. But you know, there's lots of other beautiful hedges. Look at this Viburnum Tinus, beautiful fine dark green foliage. Now the thing that you can't see is the fragrance is as good as a winter daphne. It's absolutely fabulous. You don't even have to bend over to smell it. It's filled the whole air all through this whole area here. Have a look at this. Viburnum Tinus can be used as a low hedge. Look how low this hedge is here. This is in a commercial situation on the edge of a car park on the northern side of Melbourne, where it hardly ever rains except when you're filming something. It's very, very low rainfall, very poor soil, and this particular hedge is unirrigated. It's virtually ignored, and this just shows how tough your Viburnum Tinus is. And have a look on top here. You'll see that when it's not in flower, you've got beautiful, dense, dark green, fine foliage, like a really nice thick hedge.